Alliance. 3, 2, 1, let's rebuild.
And this could be it here in the second finals match. Blue Alliance with early lead, Red Alliance firing back in auto. And with a massive final push, Red Alliance takes a commanding lead coming out of auto. Here in Teleop, all the bots in the center of the field. Artemis with the first blood, launching for the Red Alliance hub in the final seconds of the first phase. With the blue hub activated, Chips maneuvers their bot Monk into position and takes aim and fires at their hub, accompanied by the DiscoBots. 36. 76, Sobinator was briefly in the Blue Alliance zone, but retreats to the Red Alliance zone as the Red Alliance hub activated. They have 125 points already. They are energized and looking to pull further away in this contest. Artemis firing from the trenches. The outpost putting up points for the Red Alliance as the activation phase switches over to the Blue Alliance hub. A steady stream coming from Monk, accompanied by DiscoBots. They have plenty of fuel in their zone. Monk emptying their depot. And shooting it up into the hub. At the red activation phase. Artemis scoring for the Red Alliance. Gamma Ray being boxed out by Cerberus. As we enter into the end game, Blue Alliance making a noble push, closing the gap, catching up only 50 points between them. (76-16) Cerberus going for the tower climb. Getting a level 3 tower climb with 5 seconds on the clock. Monk filling their hub. Will it be enough? Stand by for the final result. Final result. The Red Alliance are your tournament champions by only 1 point. 260 to 259. Red Alliance wins.